Hey guys, it's Kevin here from Boy Media, and I want to talk to you guys about a topic that talked about in the previous video that I did about Super Coffee, and that's about using your UTM parameters that people put on Facebook to your advantage to see what they're doing. And I've talked about this in other videos and other episodes, but I just want to talk to you guys about it and sort of see how Super Coffee was doing this in their ads. So again, if you watch my previous video, I did a review of this landing page, and you could see that they have this like crazy UTM here, which I think is you're going to be seeing a lot more with this whole Facebook stuff happening where people don't understand the data. People are trying to find out any source of attribution. And of course, they're using other third-party platforms as well. So let's see how you can use it to your advantage. So let's take this UTM parameter here and let's go to this tool called URL Decoder / Encoder. If you paste the URL here, this is essentially encoded. Basically, it replaces it in this like computer format that browser could read, and then it can interpret it. And basically, if you see anything like this, usually when you see the percentage 20, that means it's encoded. It's a telltale sign. I don't know exactly what it means. I think it means a space. Yeah, actually, it's percent 20 is a space actually. So if you see percent 20, it means it's probably encoded. Sometimes you don't see it, which is interesting, but sometimes you do see it. I think browsers nowadays are kind of do or do not need it. But anyways, you could see here that it's encoded. And now let's press decode. And here's where things get interesting because now you could see the human readable version of this. And let me make my screen bigger so that people could see. But here exactly how I would interpret this. So this is the landing page. And this is like you can grab this URL here, put in your browser, and go to the landing page. Great. We know that is. Now you can see that this is going to be a Facebook ad equals one cold. So one is probably their campaign name, cold traffic, and UGC stack 'em, stack get 'em while you can primer. UGC is user generated content. And then now stack 'em is probably like maybe a stack of UGC creatives while you can is sort of maybe the messaging they're using. PYB 30 LP, this is a 30% landing page copy. So copy, of course, means that they're probably running an ad and they copied it. And now this is the ad set. So ad set's one cold, RG, healthy eaters and diet watchers. This is probably some sort of audience that they're testing. And then auto campaigns. Campaign ID this, campaign this, one WC, website conversions, e-commerce. And then this is another interesting tidbit here is Q3 21 winners, which is probably going to be the creatives that are winning in Q3. And then now you have this other thing here, which is like the wiki report, which is the attribution tool that they're using to track this. So that's how you use it, and that's how you should be thinking about it. So I hope that was helpful. Try it with a bunch of creatives, try it with a lot of ads that you see, and potentially you could see some interesting insights into how other companies are running their ads.